of all humanity. Jesus came and he was born in a unique way. And he said this word. He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. Christ is the way of salvation. And in him we can have everlasting life. In Christ we can be forgiven. In Christ we can be reconciled. I tell you, my friends, you don't know anything about Jesus, about the Son of God, about the Savior of all the universe.
Son of God and the daughter.
I tell you, my friend, I have never heard Allah raise the dead. Allah has never healed anybody. He has never opened the eyes of the blind. But Jesus did. Jesus opened the eyes of the blind. He raised the dead. And he cast out devil. And he preached the message of the kingdom of God. Now tell me, who is more powerful? Is it Allah or Jesus?
Allah.
I tell you, sir, Allah is not powerful. You know why? He has never done anything. He's not done even a single miracle. And yet you believe in something that you have no idea. But when you read the gospel from the book of Matthew to the book of Revelation, you will find out that Jesus did many miracles.
Where is Jesus? Where?
I tell you, my friend, do you want your teeth to grow?
You crazy,
then
man.
you got to believe in Jesus.
You know
Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life.
He was the way to God.
No one cometh unto the Father but by me. Jesus is more powerful than Allah. Allah is powerless. He has never done miracles. He didn't raise the dead. Allah never created the world. But I tell you, sir, the God of a Muslim is a moon god.
Everybody must
worship moon. When you go to the mosque, you look on top of the building. What do you see? You see a star and a moon. That's what the Muslim worship. And I tell you, sir, when they pray, where do they face? Mecca.
Like Jesus.
Where?
Like Jesus.
You don't pray like Jesus. Why do you face Mecca? Tell me. But I tell you, sir, when we pray, we lift up our hand to God and we pray to God.
Why is
I tell you, sir.
Why is it?
I tell you, sir. The Muslims, they repeat prayer from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, repeating the same thing.
Can I ask you something? Yes. Why is it you think...
Hang on. Are you a Muslim?
No, I'm not a Muslim. I've never been a Muslim. What I worry about...
Jesus said, I am the light, I'm coming to you. I am the light of the world. He that cometh to me, when you keep quiet, this is how he's going to kick you out of his country.
Why do you think it is that Muslims never allow anyone to interrupt them?
That's right, you're right,
and they always come around and interrupt other people. Now this is true. It does. You do that. Do you remember this?
Yeah, I know.
This every time. No, this is true.
I just went to church, then I came. Now you He's telling the Muslim always come to this trap.
And they
never allow people to speak in their gathering. They're a little bit rude.
You understand English?
Yeah, they are naughty.
You understand English?
Everybody
Muslim understand Quran. Everybody.
So, what is a Quran? What is Quran? What is Quran? Tell me, what is Quran? I tell you, sir, you live in England for a few years and yet you can speak English. You know
You know
your problem.
think
You
we all
are
know.
all the time in Edgeware Road smoking pipe instead of going to English school to learn English. And I you shut up your mouth.
You know, donkey يا حمار.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, Jesus, Jesus is the Son of God. But you, I tell you, sir,
Jesus is the left
I tell you something?
not the Son of God.
You are going to hell, mister. Jesus says, yes, Jesus says, Jesus said,
wait,
shut up!
One time يا donkey, one time. قال لك الساعة كام؟
Jesus said,
يا حمار.
I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. Christ is the way to the kingdom of God. Do you pray 5 times a day? Do you pray 5 times a day?
Yes.
Do you read your Quran?
Yes.
Do you fast?
Yes.
If you do not think you go to hell.
Come with me in Egypt.
What is your problem?
Listen here, donkey.
Why do you speak in Arabic? And there's a lot of English people here.
Listen, and
a lot of English speaking people here. They don't understand your language, and you are here insisting on your language.
Go to hell.
Why can't you take?
Go to hell, you
I'm
donkey.
advising you, my friend.
Go to
You
hell.
better start going to
You
school.
rubbish.
Jesus is the light of the world.
Liar, Ali Baba.
I challenge every Muslim here today
Liar.
that your God is a moon God.
Allah عليك وعليك أبوك.
I tell you what, you go in a mosque, you go in a mosque and look on top of the building, you see a star and a moon.
Come with me.
And if I ask you,
Come with
do
me.
you know what is in the Kaaba?
Listen here, donkey. Come with
You
me.
like eating cheese kebab
Yes.
and a lamb meat? That's why you are insane, sir.
Yes, يا حمار. Yes.
Jesus came on earth
No, Jesus يا donkey.
not to condemn sinners,
الله لا إله
but he
إلا
came
الله.
on earth to save
لا
sinners.
إله إلا الله.
That's why
لا إله إلا الله. لا إله إلا الله. والشيطان عدو الله. والشيطان عدو الله. لا إله إلا الله. لا إله إلا الله. والحمار عدو الله. والحمار عدو الله.
I know you are an Egyptian mafia.
Egypt المافيا.
I know
عند انجلند نوت
you are a mafia.
سرقت العالم كله.
I tell you, sir.
انجلند نوت
I
مافيا.
tell you, sir.
اوباما عند شارون عند
You don't like Obama.
مافيا.
You don't like
I
Obama.
am not like Obama.
Why?
لأنه كريزي
Why?
سميون.
Why?
رابط سميون.
I tell you, my friend.
I am not friendly.
I love all Egyptians except you.
وأنا مش عايز.
Jesus is the light of the world.
لاير.
He is the Savior.
كذاب.
And when you believe in Him,
لاير يا رابط.
you put your trust in Jesus, you will have everlasting
قول
life.
الله. الملك.
And when you ask
القدوس.
a Muslim a question,
Come here.
are you sure you are going to heaven? Arabic.
Listen.
Are you sure?
Listen me, I don't.
Are you sure you are going to heaven?
Go to hell.
You are not going to heaven.
أشهد أن
But
لا
if you
إله إلا
ask
الله.
every Christian
وأشهد أن
all over the world about going to heaven, you know what?
يا أبو لهب. يا أبو لهب.
Every Christian,
أبو لهب.
every Christian, we know where our destination is. Allah will take you all to hell.
على الدق.
You know what? Allah is not God. There is no evidence that Allah is God. I tell you, my friend,
عند
the
أبو
true
لهب.
God,
عند شيطان
the true
رزين.
creator,
عند علي بابا.
is the
عند
God
أبو جهل.
of Abraham,
يا
the God of Jacob, the God of Israel. God is
Takbir! Takbir! Takbir!
Look at you. You are from the same jungle like me.
Allahu Akbar!
I tell you, my friend, are you not from a jungle?
Allahu Akbar!
Sir, are you not from the same jungle as I am?
Allahu Akbar!
You are going to hell.
Allahu Akbar!
You have been in the jungle for too long and you don't know who God is. Jesus came on earth. He came to forgive sinners. Jesus came to reconcile us back to God. That's why Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one cometh unto the Father but only through Jesus. He is the way to heaven. He is the Son of God. You are going to hell, you say. You know what? I am stronger than you. You know why? Because if they bring meat with a bone, you can't bite it. You know what?